Hi, this is Ed from Fab Defense. Today I want to talk to you about a Makarov grip. It's a very unique grip. As most of you know, the Makarov has the European magazine release style, which is kind of a pain in the butt to release the magazine. Basically what this grip does, it comes with it converts it from the European style to the American style. Makes it very easy and quick to release the magazine. And I'm going to show how it works. These rounds are just straight plastic training rounds. Gun is safe and clear. Once you put the magazine in, to release it, it used to be that you have to press this button. Now you can do it with your thumb. Just press it forward, the magazine comes out. Very easy, very quick. Once the magazine in, you can shoot as usual. The grip comes in 4 different colors: black, OD green, tan, and a special edition clear. We have them for right-handed and left-handed shooters. It's available at www.fab-defenseus.com. Thank you.